Hi Crystal, it's Jamie. I thought it might be easier to just do a quick screencast to show you how to publish your site. So after you've created your site, then up here in the right hand corner you can click on Publish, and that will allow you to be able to name your site. And then right here where it says who can view my site, yours might be set to just your school district. So you'll want to click on Manage, and then where it's published, that's where you want it to be that anyone can find it. So if yours says something like your school district right there, then you'll want to click Change and select anyone can find and view the published version, and then save that and click Done. So then when I click this Publish button, then I've given my website a name, and so if I click on this drop-down menu, then I can view my published site. And that's going to give you up here in your URL bar what the link is that I need. So just copy that link right there and then give me that link and I will be able to get to your site, and anyone else who wants to view your site will use this link also. Hope that helps.